will happen when the earth stops to rotate? Then what will happen to the side of earth that faces permanent sun and the other side that faces permanent darkness? The side that is facing sun have a continuous temperature rise and there will be no night. Because of temperature rise, thing will start to burn and all the organism will not able to survive there. That side of earth will turn into a desert, while the other side that is facing extreme darkness, the temperature falls gradually and the things will start to freeze. There will be no day at that side. All the lakes, rivers, oceans, and seas will start to freeze. Survival will soon come to an end, and the point where the sunlight and the darkness meet, there will be huge storms that will rise and takes all the things with them, and with time life will end on earth.